Hey guys, so I wanted to record this because I'm sure I'm not the only one that ran into this. So I downloaded and purchased actually SnagIt to do a lot of video recording, and it worked great. But there was one tutorial I was doing where I had to enter my credit card information, and I could not, for the life of me, figure out why my blurring tools, my arrow tools, and all that stuff was not working for the videos. And it comes to find out that that's not actually an option with SnagIt editor. So what they want you to do is buy Camtasia. So they're owned by the same company. So in order to have video editing tools, you need to buy Camtasia. It is not going to work. However, if you have images and you're trying to put those on there, of course it's going to work. That's what it's for. So images, SnagIt, video, Camtasia. So just so that anybody else is trying to pull their hair out, well, why can I view the video, but how come I can't do anything to it? That's why it doesn't exist. So I wanted to just put that out there so anybody else that was, I'll even open it. Well, hopefully I can open it. Let's see here. Are you guys gonna let me record it? Oh, I've got the webcam on. There we go. So I'm in here and I'm trying to do an edit to this. I just want to blur out my credit card information. I'm not able to. Well, come to find out the reason these are all grayed out is because I can't do it to a video. If this was a picture, I could do it easily. So just wanted to, anybody else was pulling their hair out, just wanted to share that little bit of information. It's not possible in a video. You have to buy Camtasia or download the free 30-day trial, which is what I'm about to do. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye.